हेलो गाइस। आज हम ब्लैक बुक ऑफ जनरल अवेयरनेस में एंशियंट हिस्ट्री से इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के क्वेश्चन करेंगे। नेम द ओल्डेस्ट इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन। कौन सी थी? इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। हु अमंग अदर्स वाज वन ऑफ द डिस्कवर्स ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन? दयाराम साहनी। विच इंडस वैली साइट was the first to be discovered? Harappa. The earliest city discovered in India was Harappa. The Harappa civilization was discovered in the year 1921. Which city has excavated in 1922 in Larkana district on the bank of Indus? Mohenjo-daro. The ancient cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro emerged along the bank of which river? Indus River. Harappa is situated on the bank of a river, Ravi River. The Harappa site proper was situated on the bank of which river? Satluj. Dash is a site of Indus Valley civilization which is not on the bank of river Indus. Proper. The Harappa site Manda was situated on the bank of which river? Chenab. The striking feature of Indus Valley civilization was urban civilization, which was not a common feature of major cities of Indus Valley civilization: irrigation canals. The people of the Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of pakka bricks. Which domesticated animal was absent in the terracottas of the Indus civilization? Cow. The first metal used by man was copper. Which metal was not found in Harappa civilization? Iron. The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped Pashupati or Mother Goddess. The script of Indus Valley civilization is undeciphered. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि वो अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं जा सकी. Which remains excavated in Indus Valley civilization indicate the commercial and economic development. Seals. Idol of dancing girl bronze belong to which civilization? Indus Valley civilization. Which statement about the Indus Valley civilization is not true? Animal meat was the staple food. The Indus people knew the use of weight and measures, which is provided by the discovery of the seals at Harappa. Which most popular Indus Valley civilization site lies in present Pakistan? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The great path of Indus Valley civilization is found at Mohenjo-daro. The Harappa were urban. The social system of Harappa was fairly egalitarian. Which material was mainly used in the manufacture of Harappa seals? Terracottas. What has not been found in excavation of Harappa site? Fort, drains and wells, reservoirs, temple and शिखर. तो क्या आंसर होगा? टेम्पल एंड शिखर्स. At which location a sculpture of chariot of Harappa time was found? Daimabad. Which Harappa site was not located in Gujarat? Lothal, Daimabad, Surkotra and Dholavira. कौन सी थी? Daimabad. Who was the first scholar to discover the traces of the Harappa civilization? A. Cunningham. Who is associated with the study of Harappa civilization? M.S. Watts. In which province of Pakistan is the site of ancient civilization of Mohenjo-daro located? Sindh. The Harappa site Amri is located in Sindh, Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro in Sindhi means the Mount of Tats. Which site of Indus Valley civilization was known as the Oasis of Sindh? Mohenjo-daro. Which country has asked India to return the famous dancing girl statue found at Mohenjo-daro, Pakistan? In Mohenjo-daro, the largest building is granary. Kalibangan is situated in Rajasthan. From which Harappa site evidence has been found from the plowing area Kalibangan? In Indus Valley civilization, Kalibangan is famous for poetry. Which Harappa site is used mud brick in ample for construction of house? Kalibangan. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? Port Town, Lothal, Gujarat. A couple burial was found from which Harappa site? Lothal. Which Harappa site is thought to have direct sea trade links with Mesopotamia? Lothal. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of which river? Sabarmati. Which has the only Indus without a citadel? Johindro. In Indus Valley civilization, Dholavira is famous for water conservation. Which one of the site of Indus Valley civilization was situated on the bank of Luni River? Dholavira. In Indus Valley civilization site, Dholavira has been located in which state of India? Gujarat. Run of Kutch भी कहा जाता है जिसे. Which Harappa civilization site provide the evidence of a large open area with traced stand identified as a stadium? कहाँ पे था? धोलावीरा, गुजरात. In which state is archaeology site of Surkotada situated? Gujarat. Which archaeology site has evidence of pit dwelling? Burjao. At which site archaeologists recover burial of 5 wild dog and an antlers horn? Burjam. शतुघाई इंडस वैली साइट इन विच कंट्री? अफ़गानिस्तान. अगर गाइस आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मैं ऐसे ही एंशियंट हिस्ट्री के आगे के पार्ट लाते रहूँगी. प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.